and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Well, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Writer, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that was sent by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is Wang, GlobalNet, Wang, Korea, Pho Seafood. This is an export version for a Korean company that's made in Vietnam, but it's, yeah, so it's confused. It's complicated. I think that's the right term for it. But how's everybody doing? Have I done a review since Thanksgiving? I don't know that I have. Yeah, I have, because I did one of the Christmas. I guess I did a review on Monday. Yeah, because I got stuff ready to do on Tuesday, and Tuesday just didn't freaking work out so well. But okay, so we got our rice noodle, we got our liquid. I like that font. I've seen it many times before, but it's a neat font. So. But what is not neat is how freaking dang cold it is outside. With the liquid seasoning base. And then we got the seasoned oil sachet. Dump that sucker in there. This particular variety is mentioning on the packaging that it is indeed gluten-free, which is nice for people of the non-gluten persuasion. Okay, and there's the line. I have so much stuff to get done today, and it is so cold outside. I'm like, yeah, I'm cold. 3 minutes. Yeah, you don't need to boil anymore. You're good on that. That's the thing I don't like about these glass top stove deals. It takes so long for it to cool down. But anyways, it is December 4th, 2024. In the news today, in your past, there was a big to-do in South Korea. The guy ordered for martial law, and then people didn't like that, so they stopped with the martial law. And then there was God, this stuff seems like it's already done. I mean, that noodle's looking pretty good. There was the martial law thing there, and so in Georgia, not the state, but I guess it's a Balkan state. I really don't know about Georgia. I know it used to be part of the Soviet Union, I think, but other than that, I'm really uneducated about the place. But there have been a lot of protests there, and so that's a big deal. There's, what else is going on? The standard tariff threats. Oh yeah, and the CEO of United Healthcare was like murdered in broad daylight in New York. That's crazy. I mean, I guess somebody had something against him, but I don't know. That seems like a really lame thing to do. Don't kill the CEO of United Healthcare. That's not going to make your healthcare go down. but I don't know. But it sounds like the guy like stalked him and stuff. Must have had some kind of beef with him. Well, today I am going to prepare this pho in an absolutely untraditional way. So be prepared for that. It's going to be not at all traditional. But you will see, I think. You must see the light on this. You gotta give it a chance. Because I'm not just going to review this. Well, I guess I am just going to review this. But the other thing is I've got a trifecta of chili crisps that you're going to see over the next 3 episodes of the show. So here is the... and they're all from Taiwan. That's the cool thing. Yeah. The Noodle. Oof, that's very hot, but very satisfying after walking in 27-degree weather. The noodle hydrated well enough. Definitely has a, it mentions it has shrimp and squid in it. I believe I'm getting that. I didn't realize it was listing squid as an allergen. Here, hold on. I got to do the flippy-do. Because it's definitely not in the correct... There. But it said that it contains mollusks, squid. And I thought that was interesting. I guess the squid is part of the clam family. The clam family, folks. Let's all gather round and salute the clam family. Clam and clementine and clamora. I don't know. But let's center you. It seems like this camera is like... I don't know. I'm getting a weird vibe off it today. So the first thing we're going to add, which is total... Well, yeah. Which really is not the standard, is... Got a lot of spring onion I got to use. So I'm going to drop some there. And then I have eggs I must use. And I know, right? Egg on pho. What the... Yeah. But that's the deal today. I think these are like... I think I made my marinade a little too... shoo-shoo. Schwa-schwa. I don't know what, but... Yeah, I gotta use these today. Because these were spendy eggs. Okay. All right, and we're going to add some, I think I'm going to go with the chili crisp. Now this one I've been itching as soon as I got these. Yeah. This is from Taiwan. Here, I'll let you just look at this. This is from Taiwan, and this is a cilantro chili crisp. You have to go to a website. Just look up YUN space HAI Pantry. Yunhai Pantry. And this is the cilantro chili crisp. Yeah, I just took pictures of it and had a little taste of it. And wow, this is really neat stuff. And I need my magic spoon. The holy spoon. But yeah, definitely not your standard deal for pho. But it's really good. And then, of course, some seeds. Another thing that you wouldn't see on pho. Well, I don't know. You ever see sesame seed on pho? Somebody's gonna like, that's not what you do with it. That's so not traditional. Yeah, I know, but that's how I want to do it today. For the people who always say, there's no rules, this is your day. So, don't yuck on other people's yums. Oh, I hate that. Well, cool. Thanks again to James for sending that along. That's a decent seafood pho. I mean, if that's what you're looking for, that's what you're gonna get. I gotta go take pictures of it in a minute, but the next one you're gonna see on this big show is this cup noodle extra special chili tomato. That came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow Box Japan, Meow being spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. The sun is going into my normal photography spot, so I've got to like find something to use to block out the sun there, and I'll use this. This is old, folks. This is right when the 2X Bulldog came out. I'm sure this is gonna like make some people just go ooh. But yeah, it's the old poster. Anyways, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.